The 2025 Nissan GT-R R36 Nismo is the latest evolution of the legendary Godzilla, combining extreme power, precision engineering, and cutting-edge technology. With a bold design, enhanced aerodynamics, and a focus on track performance, this supercar is built to dominate roads and racetracks alike. Performance. Under the hood, the R36 Nismo is powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, hand-built by Nissan's master engineers. Producing 710 horsepower and 780 Nm of torque, it rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds and boasts a top speed exceeding 330 km per hour. A dual-clutch 8-speed transmission and Nissan's renowned all-wheel drive system ensure maximum grip and performance. The new R Mode Plus sharpens throttle response and aerodynamics, making it a beast on the track. Exterior design. The R36 Nismo's aggressive design is both stylish and functional. A carbon fiber front splitter, large rear wing, and lightweight components enhance aerodynamics while reducing weight. Nismo's signature red accents and quad exhaust pipes add to its bold presence. The car's dimensions are fine-tuned for optimal stability and high-speed control. Interior design. Inside, the GT-R R36 Nismo blends luxury with motorsport-inspired elements. Recaro racing seats provide maximum support during spirited driving, while Alcantara-wrapped steering and carbon fiber trim enhance the premium feel. A 12-inch digital performance display provides real-time data, and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Fuel efficiency. While the GT-R R36 Nismo prioritizes performance over efficiency, its advanced engineering ensures a respectable fuel economy for a high-performance supercar. The turbocharged V6, combined with Nissan's precision tuning, aims to balance power with optimized fuel consumption. The 2025 Nissan GT-R R36 Nismo is a masterpiece of engineering, offering breathtaking speed, track-ready aerodynamics, and a high-tech interior. With a starting price around $210,000, it remains a dream car for enthusiasts who crave performance, heritage, and cutting-edge innovation.